Team White, welcome to Division with Miss Wood. So, division is all about splitting a number up by a given number. For example, we have got 8 presents that we need to share equally with 4 children. So the sum looks like this, 8 divided by 4. And we know then that gives us 2. So each child gets 2 presents each. So now what we're going to do is look at some examples. So here we have 9 muffins and our sum is 9 divided by 3. We need to try and work out the answer. As you can see, the muffins are being shared equally amongst our 3 children. The way we will find out the answer is how many muffins are in each circle. We now know that there is 3 muffins in each circle. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So our next sum is 10 divided by 2. So now what we're trying to work out is how many apples is shared between the 2 children equally. So again, we are going to move our apples into each circle, which is what you can do at home on a piece of paper as well. So once we have moved all the apples equally, then we will be able to work out our answer. So we now know that 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So here's our next sum, 8 divided by 4 equals what? We're going to use our ladybirds and we're going to use our 4 children. So now we're going to see our ladybirds being split equally amongst our 4 children. So as you can see, the first ladybird has gone in, and the second one, and the third, and the fourth. So we've got 4 more ladybirds to work out our sum. So the last 2 are just going to go in now. So here you can see we've got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So our next division sum is 6 divided by 3 equals what? We're going to be using ducks this time to see how many ducks are shared equally amongst our 3 children. Now the ducks are going to start moving into each circle. So then we can see what is the total amount of ducks shared equally amongst our 3 children. The first 3 ducks have moved in. Now our last 3 are moving in. So if you can count with me, we've got 2 ducks per child. So our sum is 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So each child gets 2 ducks. Our next division sum, you will see our numbers are getting a little bit larger. Now we've got 12 divided by 3 equals what? So this time we're using lovely eggs and we are dividing our eggs between each of our children. So how many eggs will each child get? So the eggs are going to start moving into our 3 circles to see how many at the end. So our first 3 eggs have moved in, and now we're moving into the next lot of 3, and then the next lot of 3. And then we've got 3 more eggs to see, and then we're going to count how many eggs each child has. So all eggs have been shared equally, so we've now got 4 eggs in here, 4 eggs in here, 4 eggs in here. So our division sum was 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So this example here will show us 20 divided by 4 equals what? So this time we're using our muffins. We've got 4 children that need to be, the muffins need to be shared equally with. So our muffins are going to start moving in. This one's going to take a little bit longer because we've got more to share out amongst our 4 children. So the 20 muffins are slowly going to move in. If you want to be clever, you can try and do it before all the muffins are in the circles. So each circle now has 3 muffins in, and we still need to divide and share out the last couple of muffins amongst our 4 children. So last 3 muffins, and then we will be counting how many muffins each child gets. So here we are, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we know 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Okay, so this sum now is 30 divided by 10 equals what? So we are looking at our red apples divided equally amongst our 10 children. Each child is represented as a green circle, so each apple is divided up amongst them all equally. So as you can see, the apples are moving in to each one of our circles, which represents one child. Each child now has one apple, and the rest of them are being divided out equally amongst the 10 children. So now each child has 2 apples, and we still have some more apples left to divide out. Remember, we're trying to solve our sum. 30 divided by 10 equals what? So now we see all the apples have been divided out, and each child has got 3 apples. So our sum is 30 divided by 10 equals 3. Each child was given 3 apples. So now it's over to you guys. This is your challenge. Each slide is going to have a different set of division sums for you to work out. Try and use the same system that we were just using before that. Best of luck and enjoy.